Reckless Serenade by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning with no capo. For the verse, we're going to play a D, an A, and a G. On the D, we're going to strum down, down, up, going to the A, up, down, up, and then the G, down, down, up, down. So D, down, down, up, A, up, down, up, and the G, down, 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 D, D, A, G. So there's a little 1-bar link that takes us into the chorus. We just actually stay on that G chord with exactly the same rhythm we've just played before. So down, down, up, down. So we've got the D, down, down, up, then to the A, up, down, G from the verse. We'll just stay on that G. Okay, so D, A, G, and G. For the chorus, we're going to play B minor, F sharp, G, G minor, D, E minor, and A. So the strumming is the same as we just used on the G chord. So for B minor, we have the down, down, up, down, up, to the F sharp major, down, down, up, down, up. Shift up 1 fret to a G, down, down, up, down, up. Second finger off for a G minor chord, down, down, up, down, up. Back to the D chord, down, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, up. Finishing off with the A, down, down, up, down. So B minor, F sharp, G, G minor, D, E minor, A. After the second chorus, there's a little chord progression that takes us into the higher chord voicings. So we start off with the B minor chord and we strum down, mute, up, down. So into the D, exactly the same. G major, bar chord, exactly the same. Single strum of a G minor chord. Okay, so B minor, D, G, G minor. So the higher part starts on the 7th fret of the G, B, and high E strings, and we're going to strum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the and, we're going to add the 3rd finger to the 9th fret of the B and strum up. Strum up, down, up, down, up, down. So slowly that would sound like this. The whole 7th fret's barred. Add the 3rd finger. We then go down to the top of the G chord, 3 on the high E, 3 on the B, 4 on the G, and we strum down, up, down, up. Shift this up 2 frets to 5, 5, and 6, the top of an A chord, down, up, then to a D chord. Okay, so the whole thing there. So we're going to start off on the D chord and strum down, up, down, and then a single strum down on 6, 5, and 5. So we then have 7 and 7, down, up, to a D, up, down. The whole thing so far is the D. Then I'm going to come up to 7, 8, and 7. And we're going to play that down, down, up. Move down to 6, 5, and 5, single strum. And then a single strum on D. So D. Then we're going to strum up on a D chord, but take the 2nd finger off, so it's a D sus2. Then put the finger back on and strum up, down, up, off again. So off, on, off. And that's the first time through. So the second time through that riff is pretty much the same as the first time. In fact, it's a little bit easier to play. We start off with the D chord and strum down, down, the top of our A chord, 6, 5 and 5, down, down, B minor, 7, 7 and 7, down, up on the D chord, then to our little G chord, 7, 8 and 7, down, up on an A, up on a D. That finishes it off. So the second time through, down, down. So both of them back to back. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Happy practicing and take care.